Hello? Oh, yes, this is Melanie. I'm fine, thank you. No, no trouble at all. I simply followed the road. Well, there's no need to apologize. I can understand. Well, it's very kind of you. No, I'm not angry. Well, I couldn't. I have to get back to San Francisco. No, I wouldn't want to disappoint Kathy, but... I see. All right, yes, I'll be there. Good night, Mitch. He wants me to go to Kathy's party tomorrow afternoon. I said I would.
Should be fun. I'll be there, too, to help.
Oh, it seems so pointless. Well, I think I'll go to sleep. It's been a busy day. My luggage.
That's pretty. Where'd you get that, Brinkmeyer's?
Do you think I should go?
Oh, that's up to you.
No, it's really up to Lydia, isn't it?
Never mind Lydia. Do you want to go?
Yes.
Then go.
Thank you, Annie.
This has been a Kiss the Bug production.